Hello children, this video is for class 5, subject English Literature, chapter number 8, My Dog Fluffy. My Dog Fluffy. The story is based on dog Fluffy. She was beautiful and anyone who saw her admired her. Here she means doggy Fluffy. She Fluffy के लिए यूज़ किया गया है. And admired means प्रशंसा करना. Admire means प्रशंसा करना. She was beautiful and anyone who saw her admired her. Here in this line, the writer tells that Fluffy was beautiful and anyone who saw her, जो भी उसे देखता था उसकी प्रशंसा करता था, उसकी तारीफ करता था. She came into the family when she was a month-old puppy and won the hearts of all. However, she was particularly fond of me. Fond means shauकीन. She was particularly fond of me. I used to feed her. Here, I means I किसके लिए यूज़ किया गया? राइटर के लिए. राइटर बताते हैं I used to feed her, care for her and bathe and groom her lovely long hair. Groom means keep clean or tidy and smart. मतलब उसकी लंबे बालों को साफ करती थी. She was the prettiest Lhasa Apso we had ever possessed. The writer said that Fluffy came into the family when she was a month-old puppy and she won the hearts of all. Fluffy was particularly fond of her. Fluffy was particularly fond of the writer and the writer used to feed her. उसे खिलाती थी, हमेशा उसे वो खुद से खाना खिलाती थी. Care for her and bathe her and keep her hair. Keep clean her hair. She was the prettiest Lhasa Apso we had ever possessed. राइटर बताते हैं कि वो लासा एप्सो इतनी खूबसूरत थी जिसे कभी उन्होंने उसे अपने साथ रखा था. Fluffy was like my little shadow. Wherever I went, she went and made sure that everyone kept their distance from me. Even the milkman and the newspaper man kept their distance and were allowed to get only a few feet close. Yes, she loved me and I loved her. The writer said that Fluffy was like her shadow. Wherever the writer went, Fluffy went and Fluffy made sure that everyone kept their distance. मतलब सभी लोग, चाहे वो न्यूज़पेपर मैन हो या फिर मिल्क मैन हो, सभी उन राइटर से डिस्टेंस बनाकर रहते थे ताकि उन्हें कोई नुकसान ना पहुंचा सके. The writer said that she loved her. She loved Fluffy and Fluffy loved her also. One day, as usual, the family gathered together in the sitting room to spend some value time. Value time means important time to discuss something. Value time together just before we had dinner and retired to bed. Retired, here retired means to go to bed after a long day. Retired to bed. Since mosquitoes had been disturbing our sleep for the last few nights, I decided to use some Baygon, a pesticide, and flit the bedroom. Baygon, a pesticide. यह pesticide means कीटनाशक दवा जो मॉस्किटोज़ को, मच्छरों को भगाने के लिए यूज़ किया जाता है. And flit the bedroom. Flit means छिड़काव करना, कीटनाशक दवा का छिड़काव करना. Flit the bedroom. So off I went, leaving the elders chatting and the children happily playing indoor games. One day when the family gathered together in the sitting room to spend some times together. They were discussed something. They were discussed something just before dinner. Then the writer said that mosquitoes had disturbing their sleep for the last few nights, so she decided to use pesticide and flood the bedroom. So she went, leaving the elders chatting and the children were playing indoor games in that sitting room. When I went into the bedroom, I closed the door and started flitting. Then I noticed that the clothes cupboard was left open, so I just shut and latched it. Latched means chitkani lagana. Then I carried on flitting and later joined the family at the dinner table. When dinner was over and we were about to go to bed, I noticed that Fluffy, my dog, was missing. She always slept at the foot of my bed. We called out to her, but there was no response. Now the family grew worried and searched for her everywhere. My husband and son took the scooter and searched all over the colony, but nowhere could she be found. We imagined the worst must have happened. When the writer went into her bedroom to flit pesticide, she noticed that her cupboard was left open, so she just latched the cupboard. Thereafter, she joined her family at the dinner table. When dinner was over, all were about to go to their bed. Then the writer noticed that Fluffy was not there because she always slept at the foot of the writer's bed. They were calling out to her, but there was no response because Fluffy was not there. All family grew worried. सभी लोग परेशान हो गए and searched for her everywhere. They were searching all over the colony, but nowhere could she be found. Someone has stolen her, said my daughter. Her daughter said that Fluffy might be stolen. Maybe she has strayed away and cannot find her way back home. I cried. Everyone finally gave up the search and retired to bed. I waited a little longer. My heart was heavy and eyes swollen because of crying. Here, strayed, S-T-R-A-Y-E-D. Strayed means wandered away. Wandered, W-A-N-D-E-R-E-D. भ्रमण किया means भ्रमण पे निकलना. Then the writer thought that maybe she has wandered away but cannot find her way back home. So the writer cried and her eyes swollen because of crying. Swollen means सूजना. उनकी आंखें रोने से सूज गई थी. Suddenly my husband said, "Have you seen in the cupboards?" And the whole family laughed. However, I decided that there was no harm if I just looked. So I opened the cupboard door and out walked Miss Fluffy like a queen with her majestic hair flowing down, looking as if nothing had happened. We were overjoyed to have her back. We hugged and kissed her. She most probably did not like the smell of the flit and so had hidden in the cupboard and got locked in. Suddenly, her husband said that check in cupboards also. Fluffy might be there, so the writer decided that there was no harm if just looked. So she opened the cupboard, and when she opened the cupboard, Miss Fluffy came out. Miss Fluffy came out like a queen with her majestic hair flowing down. Majestic means beautiful and impressive, looking as if nothing had happened. वो ऐसे बाहर निकली जैसे कि कुछ हुआ ही नहीं था. We were overjoyed. The family was very happy. The family was very happy to have her back. They hugged and kissed her. They thought that Fluffy most probably did not like the smell. She did not like the smell of pesticide, so she had hidden in the cupboard and got locked in. Now summary in Hindi. यह कहानी एक फ्लफी डॉगी पर आधारित है. फ्लफी लेखिका की प्रिय डॉगी थी. वह बहुत ही खूबसूरत थी और जो भी उसे देखता था उसकी प्रशंसा करता था. लेखिका फ्लफी की बहुत देखभाल करती थी. फ्लफी लेखिका के साथ उनकी परछाई की तरह हमेशा उनके साथ रहती थी. जहाँ भी वह जाती फ्लफी उनके पीछे पीछे जाती और किसी को भी उनके करीब नहीं आने देती थी ताकि लेखिका को कोई नुकसान न पहुँचा सके. रोज़ाना की तरह एक दिन सभी लोग डिनर करने से पहले सिटिंग रूम में बैठकर बातें कर रहे थे. उसके बाद लेखिका अपने बेडरूम में गई और मॉस्किटोज़ को भगाने के लिए मीन्स मच्छरों को भगाने के लिए कीटनाशक दवा का छिड़काव करने लगी, क्योंकि कुछ दिनों से उनके घर में बहुत सारे मच्छर हो गए थे जिससे वे सभी लोग परेशान रहते थे. तो रात में मॉस्किटोज़ ना रहें इसीलिए उन्होंने कीटनाशक दवा का छिड़काव किया. लेखिका ने देखा कि उनके अलमारी का दरवाज़ा खुला हुआ है. उन्होंने अलमारी को बंद किया और डिनर के लिए फैमिली को डिनर टेबल पर ज्वाइन किया. जब सभी लोग डिनर करके अपने बेडरूम में जाने लगे तब लेखिका ने नोटिस किया कि फ्लफी वहाँ नहीं है, क्योंकि फ्लफी हमेशा उनके बेड के पास सोती थी. फिर उन्होंने अपनी फैमिली को इन्फॉर्म किया कि फ्लफी मिल नहीं रही है, शायद गुम हो गई है. उसके बाद उनकी फैमिली के सभी सदस्य उसे खोजने लगते हैं, लेकिन उसका कहीं पता नहीं चल पाता. सभी लोग दुखी हो जाते हैं. तभी अचानक से लेखिका के पति ने उनसे कहा कि एक बार फ्लफी को कबर्ड में भी देख लें, शायद वह वहाँ मिल जाए. उनकी बात सुनकर लेखिका ने जैसे ही अलमारी का दरवाज़ा खोला, मिस फ्लफी अपने लंबे लंबे बालों को हिलाते हुए अलमारी से ऐसे बाहर निकली जैसे कुछ हुआ ही नहीं था. सभी लोग फ्लफी को अलमारी में देख करके बहुत खुश हो गए. शायद उसे पेस्टिसाइड मीन्स उस कीटनाशक दवा का स्मेल पसंद नहीं था, इसीलिए वह कबर्ड में जाकर छिप गई थी. ऐसा सभी लोग सोचने लगे और सभी खुश हो गए फ्लफी को देखकर. फर्स्ट वर्ड इज एडमायर्ड. एडमायर्ड मीन्स रेस्पेक्टेड, प्रशंसा करना. आई रियली एडमायर योर enthusiasm. I really admire your enthusiasm. Next, groomed means kept clean. Groom means to clean the fur or skin of animals. किसी भी जानवर के फर और स्किन को साफ करना. Groom. The horses are all well fed and groomed. The horses are all well fed and groomed. Next, fond. F-O-N-D, fond means having a special affection or love for. Having a special affection or love for. Fond means शौकीन, मतलब किसी चीज़ के प्रति आपका जब स्पेशल एक अफेक्शन होता है, लगाव होता है, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड फॉन्ड. शी इज़ वेरी फॉन्ड ऑफ टेलिंग अदर पीपल व्हाट टू डू. नेक्स्ट, रिटायर्ड मीन्स टू गो टू बेड आफ्टर अ लॉन्ग टाइम. स्टूडेंट्स, वैसे तो रिटायर के बहुत सारे मीनिंग होते हैं, लेकिन इस स्टोरी में रिटायर किस चीज़ के लिए यूज़ किया गया वो बता रही हूँ. Retired means to go to bed after a long time. I retired late that evening. I retired late that evening. Next, majestic means beautiful and impressive. Fluffy came out with her majestic hair flowing down. Overjoyed. Overjoyed means extremely happy or pleased. Overjoyed means extremely happy or pleased. He was overjoyed at my success. He was overjoyed at my success.